Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open YouTube and find the search bar at the top of the screen. Type your query clearly using keywords and specific phrases. Press Enter or tap the magnifying glass to run the search. Within seconds, results will appear and the Filters button will show under the search bar. On desktop, the Filters button is left of Sort By. On mobile, tap the Filters label or icon to continue to the next step. Click the Filters button to expose categories like upload date, type, duration, and features. Review upload date choices such as last hour, today, this week, and this year. Use type to pick video, channel, playlist, or movie for precise results. Pick duration to narrow to short under 4 minutes or long over 20 minutes. Select features to find subtitles, 360, live, or Creative Commons content. Tap the desired filter to immediately refine your search results. Combine multiple filters to narrow results precisely, such as this year and subtitles. After filtering, use Sort By to reorder results by relevance, upload date, view count, or rating. If you need a specific creator, add channel under type and enter the channel name. To broaden results, clear filters by tapping Clear All or deselect individual options. Remember, mobile filters behave the same, though the layout shifts to a vertical list. Confirm your final selection and browse refined videos immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.